Lot number 133 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This bus, the dash says that check transmission. I did notice it does not engage in reverse. It does drive forward, but it does not engage in reverse. So keep that in mind. The body is straight. I'll show you. The windows are good, the mirrors are good, the body looks good, the windows look good, they're all tinted, they all open and close. The tires are fair on this side. On the other side, they look like they're almost brand new. So they must have replaced those tires recently. But these, on the left side, on the driver's side, look fair to worn. Like I said, the body looks good, the motor sounds good. Let me show you. The Caterpillar 3126. The back looks good. Let me show you the inside. Look at the windows, the side panels. It's in good shape. Just remember the transmission light is on the dash and it says check transmission. Alright, the steering wheel's full of mold. The motor sounds really good. I'll rev it up for you. Got 77,000 original miles. Automatic. It's got the dual AC. It's blowing but not cold. The driver's seat looks good. Each seat has 3 seat belts for 3 children per seat. Alright. It's got the dual air. It's blowing but not cold. Ceiling is nice. The floor looks good. Here's the other AC unit, which is not blowing cold. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Thank you.